Well, the Mustang's gone, and I'm going to put up right now what we had in the Mustang and what we sold it for. We made quite a bit of a profit on it. I didn't paint the car, and you'll see the last video of it. It looked pretty good, just needed to be painted. I had it detailed. I just got too many irons in the fire, and I'm moving on, trying to get some other completed projects. Here's the Vic. Needs to be washed one more time, repolished. Just a final polish. It's got a new windshield, new rear window in it, new rubbers around it. Trying to think. You see I color coded the wheels, the rims, excuse me. Smoked headlights, the Punisher emblem. And I also put a Mustang spoiler underneath the front of her. In the back, she's got the Mercury Marauder spoiler on the back. And it's still, it says right there, Police Interceptor. Put that back on her. Interior needs to be detailed. It's still the P71 inside. Just needs to be detailed, the matte scrub real good. And either I'll do it or have one of my guys do it. But there is one more thing wrong. Man, those doors closed so nice. Sometimes when you shift from, from going from drive, put it in park and try to start it, about every 10 times it wouldn't. You'd have to put it in neutral to start it. It's the neutral safety switch. I ordered it. Cheapest place I found to buy one, even with my parts discount, was on Amazon. And this is the neutral safety switch for it right here. There's a part number. And I'll put a link in the description which one I got. I don't remember the price offhand in my head, so I'll put it up when I make the video. I'll put it up there. Let's open the hood and I'll show you what's been done underneath the hood. Motor's got new coils on it. AC needs to be recharged. Oh, and you can see right there, it says Police Interceptor motor on it. Basically, it's the same exact motor as the 4.6 out of the Mustangs, GT Mustangs. Oh, except for the motor's got better cooling and all because police cars sit for longer periods of time. The transmission's been built. It's got basically a G-mod in it, a shift kit. And I had that totally rebuilt. I did all the mechanicals on the car before I did the paint. And the brakes you can't see through here, but they're drilled and slotted rotors on them. I think they're fast stop brakes on it, all the way around. It's a clean car. That paint came out beautiful. The car is as straight as an arrow. You can look down the side, you'll not see a ding or anything. It's been blocked to where it's super straight. And it's painted in Ford's Jet Fighter Gray, which has a couple of different, if it's on a truck, I think it's called Cactus Gray. If it's on the Mark I Mustangs, it's called Jet Fighter Gray. So that's what the car is. Well, another thing I found, the car's been sitting so long, I've got one O2 sensor out. I'm gonna change it. So I've got to change the transmission's neutral safety switch, have the AC charged, and what was it? Oh, O2 sensor on it's bank 2 out, basically downflow. So car's almost done. I'll have it done in the next few weeks. The car is absolutely rust free. Underneath, you'll see some earlier videos. There is no rust underneath this car whatsoever. And let me close the hood right now. Oh, that's another thing. It needs 2 new gas struts for the hood. But I'm selling her. The project's over. It's got to be detailed, cleaned up. Car came out real nice. Put a couple little details on the car. I blacked out some people like it, some people don't. I put little black at the end of the bumpers. put the little reset, the plastic that goes in them, and they're blacked out. So that's to match whatever's black on the car. All right, the interior still P71 complete, police car one. And I'm not going to do the interior. I'll just have it cleaned out, detailed, and sell the car like it is. All right, and that's it. This Sunday, just catching you up what we're doing. When this one leaves out, I got a tractor I got to fix to sell. I'm getting rid of projects that I've had stacked around, and then I'm going to build an F-150. And I'm going to build a F-150 to where it's either going to be a two-wheel drive pre-runner with I'll have toolboxes on the back. I'm going to make a custom flatbed on it. Or it'll be a 4x4 F-150. It'll probably be a 10th gen. I like the bull noses and all, but some guys are getting a little crazy on the prices on them. So I'm going to try to find a 10th gen, and I'd like to get a stick. If I don't get a stick, it'll be automatic. That way anybody in my family can drive it. All right, guys. See you on the next one.